Page generator is a bulk page generator, sometimes known as a mass page generator for WordPress. In 3 simple steps, you can start mass producing content for programmatic SEO on your WordPress site. Firstly, you'll add your data through the keyword system by clicking Add Keyword. We'll enter the keyword name, which is the placeholder, along with the terms that we'd like to use. In this example, we're a company offering web design and web development. We might offer other services as well, and there's no limit to the number of terms that you can have. Second, we click the Generate Content, and we're presented with the familiar WordPress editor, where we can go ahead and define our title, our content. Here we enter our placeholder keywords, in this case replacing web design with our service keyword, and we can go through and do this throughout the entire content group. Third, we click on Content Group on the right hand side and click the Generate via Browser button. And on screen we have our generated pages, which we can go ahead and view. And we can see that our keyword has been replaced by the service, the web design, and the same for web development. As you can see, in 3 quick and easy steps, you can start mass and bulk producing content for your WordPress website. Other features include the ability to edit your existing generated pages. For example, if we'd like to change the title or some other content within the content group, which is our template, we can go ahead and create those changes here. So for example, we'll remove the title there. We'll get rid of the word service. We save our content group. We click on the content group tab. We can scroll down and delete our existing generated content before going ahead and clicking Generate via Browser. We can then review the generated pages and see that the changes have taken effect. For those looking to target local SEO results, Page Generator supports multiple keywords. In this example, we can build on our service by adding a location keyword, and this might list the locations, regions, cities, etc. that we offer our services in. We can edit our existing template and add our location keyword within the title and the content. We also have the option to specify the permalink. So here we can make sure we include both service and location, which is ideal for local SEO results. Once again, we save our content group. We can delete our existing content and click Generate via Browser. And we can see that Page Generator has mass and bulk produced all variations of our service and location keyword terms to provide us with web design in Birmingham and London, as well as web development in Birmingham and London as well. We can review the content to see where the service and location keyword placeholders have been replaced. We can see the same for web design in London, web development in Birmingham, and finally web development in London. The Pro version of our plugin, called Page Generator Pro, provides more versatility for importing data into keywords. We support a number of sources, including a CSV file, URL, third-party integrations with numerous AI services, as well as RSS feeds and spreadsheets. For example, we can import a CSV URL hosted on Google Drive. We also support multiple columns within keywords, which is useful if you want to delineate data within your templates before generating content. We also have native generate location functionality, which is ideal for local SEO and programmatic SEO sites, where you can query our database of worldwide locations by country, radius, or area to build a list of locations specific to your service or business offering. The Pro version also supports a number of SEO and schema plugins, allowing you to enter your keywords within the slugs, titles, and meta descriptions. Our Pro version also includes a number of dynamic elements, both within the block editor, your preferred page builder, and WordPress's classic editor. For example, we can leverage the use of AI to intersperse our content with some AI generated information. This is really useful for SEO, where you have the control over the site design, template, and layout, and you have your own curated content coupled with some AI content. Page Generator Pro also supports generating any public post type. whether that be posts, pages, or a custom post type that your WordPress site uses. It also comes with advanced scheduling functionality, allowing you to generate your content, setting it as scheduled on an increment of hours, days, or weeks. This is really useful to drip feed that content to search engines without flooding them with thousands of pages at once. We also support a number of different generation methods, and there's granular control to determine what information you'd like to overwrite based on any existing generated pages that you've got. This is really useful if you've generated your pages and you'd like to go back and make a correction that only applies to perhaps Yoast SEO, your title, or your content. Instead of regenerating everything, you can select what areas of the generated pages you'd like to reproduce. Generating our pages, we can see our AI integration has produced some meaningful content to supplement what we've already produced within our template. And when we edit the generated pages, we can see that the slugs and meta descriptions for Yoast SEO or your preferred SEO plugin also deeply integrate with Page Generator Pro. In the Pro version, you're not limited to the block or classic editor. We support in excess of 26 common page builders on the market. Here we're demonstrating using Elementor by clicking the edit button within the content group, and we can start building our design or template within Elementor, again making full use of the keyword system. We also provide native integrations with our AI and other dynamic elements within most of the page builders on the market. And for those that already have their page designed in Elementor or another builder, we have the import content group option, which is a one-click solution to bring your existing designs straight into Page Generator Pro, from where you can then edit them, add your keywords, dynamic elements, SEO integrations, and bulk generate content for your WordPress site. We hope this video has been helpful to demonstrate the free version of Page Generator, as well as show some of the many features that our Pro version offers. Do check out our other YouTube videos that walk through the Pro version's functionality in more detail, as well as our website.